Please tell me a minus b whole square, what is going to be? Please try. Afan, please don't waste time. Please try.
Ma'am, can
Hashim.
I?
Yeah, sure.
A square plus b square minus 2ab.
A square plus b square minus 2ab. Or you can write the other way. How? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. See, these all things are revision of class 8. It is not new for you. Class 8 and 9, all things we are revising, right? So if you don't know anything, you should learn now. So next question is polynomial. So I already told you what is polynomial. What is polynomial?
The polynomial is the variables degree are whole numbers.
Yes, there should be one variable and the degree of the variable should be a whole number. Okay. For example, you can take x as variable and whole number you can take 1 or you can take 2 or you can take 4 or you can take 10, whatever it is. Okay. So if I ask you what is the polynomial in one variable? Polynomial in one variable means the whole polynomial. Let it be any terms like see 2x square plus x plus 6. It is having three terms 1, 2 and 3. Though it is having three terms, but it is having how many variables? How many variables it's having? See, everywhere it's having x and x. So it is having one variable, right? If I write 2x square plus y plus 3, how many variables it's having? It's having two variables. One is x, another is y. So it's having two variables. Okay. One variable means everywhere it should be single unknown term like 2x raised to 3 plus 3x square plus 4x plus 6. See, it is having 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms. It is having 4 terms, but still it is having one variable x, x, x. 4 terms and one variable. Did you understand that? Don't worry about any terms, but you should see the variable. So I will give you certain examples. X square plus y square plus 2xy. This is first one. And second one, x square plus x minus 2. And third one, x minus 2xy. And fourth one, x plus 1 divided by x. So tell me among all these four, which is the polynomial in one variable? Which is the polynomial in one variable? ಈ ನಾಲ್ಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಒನ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಅಂತ. ಟೂ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ವೈ. You don't answer, Ayan. Let them answer because they are all depending upon you. I am not understanding what is wrong with Afan Patel. Are you present there, Afan? Is your mic working? If you have any problem, please message me in the chat box. Afan. Afan? Sound is not clear. Hello? Is the sound clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Is the sound clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you people are messaging continuously in the chat box ki sound is not clear, ma'am. Hmm? Okay, who is going to give me the answer in this? I will put a box for the question so that you can get the clear idea.
Canon.
So this is the question. Yes, tell me the polynomial in one variable. Which one is going to be the correct one?
Ma'am, second one.
Yes, second one is going to be the correct one because it is having everywhere x and x. See here we are having x and y, so it is going to be two variables, right? Here we have x, but here we are having both x and y. It's going to be two variables. Here both places we are having x, but this is not a polynomial because the power of x should be a whole number, but this x is 1 by x. This one is 1 by x it is. So this is not a polynomial. So your answer is x square plus x minus 2 is the polynomial which is having one variable. Okay. So I think if you have taken the screenshot of this one, I will delete all these things. Have you taken the screenshot? Yes?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Recording is also available in Teach Me tab, but I've started recording half the way. No problem. If you want, you can see. So I'm going to draw uh, actually I wanted to take whiteboard in this teaching. I don't know where it is. It's not showing. Okay, no problem. See, I will draw one line like this. Next line I will draw. So what is this? Can you guess anything here?
Ma'am, x axis, y axis.
Yes. Good. Definitely it is x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And here again I am going to take like minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 6. Okay. And then I will take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. This one I will take minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 6. Okay. So this is the x-axis. This is x and this is x dash because we are having the negative numbers in x dash. This is only x and we are having all positive numbers on it. This is y and we are having all positive numbers on y. This is y dash and we are having all negative numbers on y dash. Okay. So for this one I will be calling the first quadrant. Which quadrant is this? It is the first quadrant. So we will be going anti-clockwise. This is the second quadrant and this is the third quadrant and this is the fourth quadrant. Okay. So just look at this carefully. In the first quadrant, what numbers are we having? See here we are having all positive numbers and in this direction फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में दो एक्सिस आते हैं. दो एक्सिस कौन से आते हैं बताओ थोड़ा मुझे. we can see two axes joining together here, making one point that is at 0. We call it the point of origin. So the points coordinates are 0 and 0. So tell me, in the first quadrant, which two axes are meeting?
M2.
Which two axes are meeting? कौन से दो axes यहाँ पर meet हो रहे हैं? एक ये आ रहा है और फिर एक ये आ रहा है, तो ये कौन सा axis है हमारा?
Axis.
See, this axis is coming here, right? And this axis is coming here. So in the first quadrant, which two axes do we find? We find x here and y here. So x is having this side all plus numbers, right? And y is having this side all plus numbers. So in the first quadrant, we are having plus and plus numbers. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
In the second quadrant, so you can see which axis meeting in the second quadrant over here. So here we have x dash, right? Here we are having x dash. X dash means it is having minus numbers, and this side we are having y. Okay. So y means which numbers it's having here?
Plus.
It's having positive numbers. So in the second quadrant, we are going to have minus and plus signs. Minus and plus numbers. Okay. So we'll come back to the third quadrant. So we can see that in the third quadrant, here we are having x, and then here we are having y. Okay. So we can see in x's, x dash it is here, so it's having negative, and here it is y dash, even it's having negative. So in the third quadrant, what are the signs that we are going to have?
Minus.
Minus and minus, right? Next we will come to the fourth quadrant. See, here we are having x, right? And here we are having y. Okay. So which two axes are meeting here? So x is
Plus
meeting,
and
it's having plus, and y is meeting, it's having minus. So in the fourth quadrant, which two signs are we going to have?
plus minus.
Plus and minus. Okay? Is that clear?
Okay, ma'am.
So I will ask the question, in which quadrant 2 and 3 lie? So guess and tell me. 2 and 3.
First quadrant.
So 2 means it is plus 2, 3 means it is plus 3. So both are having plus signs. So both plus signs are coming under which quadrant? They are coming
First
under
quadrant.
first quadrant. So these lie in the first quadrant. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me, minus 3 and 2, in which quadrant do they lie?
In second quadrant.
Fast. This is minus and this is plus. So minus and plus come under second quadrant. So they lie under second quadrant. Okay. Now tell me, minus 3 and minus 2. In which quadrant do they lie?
Ma'am, third quadrant.
Yes, they lie in the third quadrant. All of you please answer. Don't sit mum. 3 and minus 2. In which quadrant do they lie?
Fourth quadrant, ma'am.
Very good. That's what I needed the answer. Fourth quadrant. Okay. 1, minus 1 and 6. Which quadrant?
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant.
Nice. Second. Good. Minus 1 and minus 6.
And third quadrant.
Very nice. Third quadrant. And 1 and minus 6.
Fourth quadrant,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
fourth quadrant.
Very nice. So did you get that? Did you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
Or you want me to explain once again?
No, ma'am.
So I hope everything is clear. Okay. Okay. So I will ask you another question here. Just a minute. Related to this itself, I will ask just one question. So look at the question now. See, I will give some point P. I will give a point P. It's having the coordinates 2, comma 2. Okay, 2, comma 2. So I want you to mark this 2, comma 2 on this graph page. Where we will mark 2, comma 2 here in this graph page. How are you going to mark? See, first one is x-axis, okay, and second number shows the y-axis. So the point P should be marked first two, what you call 2 points on x-axis. So on x-axis we want 2 means I will change the color. I will just see on x-axis 2 is here, right? Can you see that? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And then on y-axis we need 2. Okay? We need 2 on y-axis. So we go perpendicular. Perpendicular means straight like this. And see y-axis का 2 किधर है? इधर आता है. बट हमने इसको यहाँ नहीं मार्क करना. जब x का 2 है तब y का 2 है. तो जब x का 2 है तब y का 2 हम लोग क्या करेंगे? स्ट्रेट जाके इधर मार्क करेंगे. देखो एग्जैक्टली यहाँ पर आता है 2. So this is the point P, 2, comma 2. Okay? Is that clear? Please take a screenshot. I'm going to delete this. No worry because recording will be available. Just let me show you something. I wanted to mark some other points on this. Okay? Want the color right. So you take a number like 4 and minus 3. So where are you going to mark this? Point A, 4 and minus 3. So I told you this is going to be on x and this is going to be on y. So which point is going to be on x now? On x we want to mark 4. On y we want to mark minus 3, right? Yes, are you able to understand? Or you want me to speak in Kannada?
Yes, ma'am.
ನವೀನ್ ನವೀನ್ ನಿನಗೆ ತಿಳಿತಾ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಥವಾ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಪ್ಪ? ತಿಳಿಯಾಕತ್ತದ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ಸೂಪರ್, ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಿದ್ರು ತಿಳಿತೈತಪ್ಪ. So I want you to mark the point 4 and minus 3. So how you will mark? On x what you should mark? 4. So this is the x. So 4 you will mark here, right?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
minus y is having minus 3. So minus y is this side, right? So minus 3
Yes,
is
ma'am.
here. So straight you will come like this. And this is your minus 3. Now you will join the point. So this is your point A with 4 and minus 3. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you mark this minus 1 and minus 5. How you are going to mark?
In third quadrant.
Y. In third quadrant, we are having -1, right? Then again you have to go for -5, that is here below, -5. So this is going to be your -1 and -5. This is your point B. Okay? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So if I tell you to mark -4 and -1, see -4 is here and -1 is here. This -1 4 से नीचे आना है, -1 आपका यहाँ है, तो इन पॉइंट्स को ज्वाइन करना है. ये देखिए आपका हो गया 4 -4, -1. दिस इज योर पॉइंट C. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, where do the first and the third quadrants meet? First quadrant is this one, third quadrant is this one. Where do they meet?
On 0.
No, they are meeting on the y-axis. See, this is coming here and this is coming here. So it is meeting on the y-axis. दोनों कहाँ पर मिल रहे हैं? ये आके यहाँ पे मिल रहा है, ये आके यहाँ पे मिल रहा है. तो किस एक्सिस पे मिल रहे हैं?
Y-axis, ma'am.
Y-axis पे मिल रहे हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
If I ask you where does first and fourth quadrant meet, so what will be your answer?
X-axis.
Very good. They are meeting at X. ये देखो, ये फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट यहाँ पे है और ये फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट यहाँ पे है. दोनों आके इधर से आके इस पे मिल रहे हैं, तो होगा X एक्सिस. ओके?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, I think I can take the next slide now. Okay. So, I'm having one book. Let me draw one book here. So this is the book. I'm not good at drawing, okay? This is the book and it is costing ₹2. Okay? So what is the cost of 10 books? How much 10 books will cost?
20.
Yes. What did you do? How did you get 20?
10 to the
10 to 20. So 10 books will cost ₹20, right? So if I'm having one book, it is costing ₹5. So how much money does 10 books cost?
50.
Very good. 10 5s are 50, right? You have to multiply. If I'm having a chocolate, I don't know, if you want you can take, but nobody likes this chocolate. I'm having a chocolate, it's costing rupees. So 20 chocolates, how much does it cost?
120.
20 into 120, right?
20, ma'am.
So if a number is there, we can easily multiply, right? But instead of this number, if I say there is one book, it is costing rupees X, and what is the cost of 10 books? So what you're
Ma'am,
going to do?
10x.
Yes, you're going to multiply 10 and X. So 10 into X is going to be 10X. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So you tell me how it's going to be. Is it going to be X plus 10 or X minus 10 or 10X or X divided by 10? So which is the option?
Ma'am, 10x.
A, B, C and D. So which option is right?
C, ma'am.
Yes, this is right. Okay. Okay. Next, we'll move on to the next competency. So if 2x plus y is going to be equal to 10, we want you to put in place of x 3 and find the value of y. What the value of y is going to be? Is it going to be 2? Is it going to be 4? Is it going to be 7? Or is it going to be 16? what the value of y is going to be when you put x is equal to 3. Come on. See, I
Ma'am,
will
4.
write this again. 2x
4 ma'am.
plus y is equal to 10. ओके, 2 का 2 ऐसे रखो, x आ गया, x के प्लेस में हमको क्या पुट करना है? 3. तो आई विल पुट 3 plus y, we don't know, we will keep as it is equal to 0. So this is not going to be 23, okay? You have to multiply. 2 3s are 6 plus y is equal to 10. अब y की वैल्यू चाहिए, तो y is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to, okay? So
Okay,
your
ma'am.
answer is going to be,
4.
4. Okay. Next, same, I will give another question of the same type. So take 3x plus y is equal to 50. Put x is equal to 3. And tell me what's going to be value of y. Yes?
Ma'am,
Come
0.
on. Okay, let me try. I want to put x as 3. So I will repeat this. 3x plus y is equal to 15. 3 I will keep as it is. In place of x कितना डालना है? 3 को डालना है. Plus y is equal to 15. So 3 3s are going to be 9. Plus y is equal to 15. So we want y is equal to 15. 9 को इधर आप भेजेंगे तो minus 9 हो जाएगा. Y is equal to 15 में से 9 को निकालो, कितना होगा? 6. So value of y is 6. Okay? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we have completed 12 questions totally. Just wanted to tell one thing. See, here I am having linear equation in one variable like 2x plus 3y is equal to 0, and then 5x is equal to y square plus 2, x square is equal to 2x plus 3, and then x plus 5 is equal to 6. Want you to identify the linear equation in one a variable. Linear equation in one variable. Which is that? I'll tell you what is the meaning of linear. Linear means the variable is having maximum power 1. Okay? But we don't write. X means it is considered that it is having x raised to 1. Y means y raised to 1. Z means z raised to 1. Every time, हर बार हम यहाँ इसके ऊपर 1 1 नहीं लिखते ऐसे. x का मतलब है कि x के ऊपर की पावर 1 है, y के ऊपर की 1 है और z की a लिखो, इसके ऊपर की भी पावर 1 है. तो जिस भी वेरिएबल की पावर 1 है उसको बोलते हैं लीनियर. ओके?
Okay, ma'am.
जिस भी वेरिएबल की पावर 2 है, जिस भी वेरिएबल की पावर 2 है, हम उसको बोलते हैं क्वाड्रेटिक. ओके? जिस भी वेरिएबल की पावर 3 है, जिस भी वेरिएबल की पावर 3 है, हम उसको बोलते हैं
Cubic.
ओके?
Okay,
तो
ma'am.
इक्वेशन का मतलब, दिस इज LHS राइट, एंड दिस इज RHS राइट.
Yes, ma'am.
LHS और RHS के बीच में एक इक्वेशन की साइन होनी चाहिए इक्वल टू. कौन सी साइन होनी चाहिए? इक्वल टू की साइन होनी चाहिए, तब हम इसको बोलते हैं इक्वेशन. समझो अगर x प्लस वाई माइनस 6 है तो हम इसको इक्वेशन नहीं बोलते. दिस इज नॉट एन इक्वेशन बिकॉज वी आर नॉट हैविंग इक्वल टू साइन हियर. If I write x plus y equal to 0, then this is an equation because we are having equal to sign. Okay? तो इन चारों में से आप मुझे बताओ लीनियर इक्वेशन वन वेरिएबल कौन सा है? सारे इक्वेशंस हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे सबके साथ इक्वल टू साइन है। तो इक्वेशन तो सारे हैं। ऑल दीज आर इक्वेशंस बिकॉज दे आर हैविंग इक्वल टू साइन, राइट? सबके पास इक्वेशन साइन है। हमको क्या देखना है अभी? इक्वेशन कौन सा होना चाहिए? लीनियर। लीनियर का मतलब x हो या y हो, इनकी पावर जो 1 होनी चाहिए। अब लीनियर इक्वेशन पूछ रहे हैं, यहाँ पे पावर 1 है, यहाँ पे भी पावर 1 है, तो ये लीनियर इक्वेशन हो सकता है। बट ये लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे x एक है, y एक है, दो डिफरेंट वेरिएबल्स हैं इधर। समझ में आई? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? हेलो, अरे है कि चले गए तुम सब लोग? हाशिम भाई, क्या नाश्ता कर रहे हैं हाशिम भाई? हेलो, तो तुम क्या सोए हैं? अरे भाई यस तो बोलो, नो तो बोलो, समझ में आया तो बोलो, कुछ तो बोलो।
मैम योर स्क्रीन इज नॉट विजिबल।
Screen is not visible. Why it's not visible? See, still it's not visible. अयान स्क्रीन विजिबल नहीं है? प्लीज मुझे कुछ तो बताओ।
विजिबल।
मैम नाउ विजिबल मैम।
लीनियर का मतलब है x या y की पावर जो होती है 1 होती है बेटा, 1। ठीक है? अब यहाँ पे देखो x की पावर 1 है, बट यहाँ पे y की पावर 2 हो गई, तो इसको हम लीनियर नहीं बोलते, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? इसको हम बोलते हैं
क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन।
क्वाड्रेटिक, बिकॉज यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम पावर 2 है। अब यहाँ पे भी मैक्सिमम इसका पावर 2 है, तो ये भी हो गया क्वाड्रेटिक। अब यहाँ पे x की पावर 1 है, तो ये हो गया लीनियर। यहाँ पे x की पावर 1, यहाँ पे y भी है, यहाँ पे दोनों लीनियर है। देखो आपको एक डिफरेंस यहाँ पे मैं आई विल जस्ट शो यू। सी a और d दोनों लीनियर हैं। डिफरेंस क्या है? a का है 2x प्लस 3y इक्वल टू 0 और d का है x प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 6। तो बोथ आर लीनियर, राइट? Why आर बोथ लीनियर? बिकॉज x की पावर 1 है और y की पावर भी 1 है, यहाँ भी x की पावर 1 है। तो इन दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या है? व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस?
मैम देयर इज फर्स्ट वन y इज देयर मैम।
हाँ, 2 वेरिएबल्स, एक x वेरिएबल है, एक y वेरिएबल। यहाँ पे 2 वेरिएबल्स हैं। तो हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या है? हमको चाहिए लीनियर इक्वेशन इन 1 वेरिएबल, तो इसलिए हमारा ये ऑप्शन भी चला गया। तो बचा कौन सा?
x
x
plus
plus
y
y
equal
is
to
equal
6.
to 6. That is B. Okay?
Okay ma'am.
Yes? Okay. So I will be giving you homework. I will be giving you homework. You need to, I will be uploading that homework in your teachment tag.
यस
Okay?
मैम।
You need to see that, उसको देखना है, उसी जैसा आपको लिखना है, फिर उसकी फोटो क्लिक करके आपको टीचमेंट ऐप में सबमिट करना है। ओके?
Okay ma'am.
Okay, fine. You having any doubt?
No ma'am.
If you want, please take the screenshot. Otherwise, recording is also available on Teachmeet. So don't worry. Okay. I don't know what is the problem. Whiteboard क्यों open नहीं हो रहा, पता नहीं चल रहा। So show me your faces. Please show me your faces. I want to see आप लोग कितने खूबसूरत लग रहे हो, देखेंगे। अफान, अफान आज क्यों बात नहीं किया आप? हाँ, मेरी आवाज आपको सुनाई नहीं दे रही थी?
वो बीच बीच में हो रही मैडम, बंद होने लगे।
मेरी आवाज बंद हो रही थी बीच में?
वो मैम वो मोबाइल पूरा टीचमेंट से बाहर ले जा रहा था मेरा मोबाइल बार बार।
ऐसा नहीं, मेरे तरफ से कुछ प्रॉब्लम है ना तो बोलो, तो आई कैन चेक फॉर सम टेक्निकल इश्यूज। अगर मेरे तरफ से प्रॉब्लम है तो मुझे इन्फॉर्म करना, ठीक है? ओके अफान, हाउ वाज द क्लास? अयान?
Nice, ma'am.
Okay, good. Did you understand everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Abhishek?
Yes, ma'am.
Abhishek, did you understand?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I will be putting the homework in Teachment app, so you should do it, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This Hashim Barinam, the left. Naveen? अपना वीडियो ऑन करना नवीन।
मैडम वो टीचमेंट ऐप में होमवर्क कर सकते हो मैडम?
टीचमेंट ऐप में आप होमवर्क नहीं कर सकते। टीचमेंट
ऐप
में आप कैसे देखते हैं, ठीक है? ओके, आप मुझे अपना थोड़ा स्क्रीन दिखाओ कि आपके टीचमेंट ऐप में क्या दिख रहा है। स्क्रीन दिखाओ मुझे, दिखाएंगे थोड़ा स्क्रीन?
कैसे देखते हैं मैडम वो?
देखो, आप टीचमेंट ऐप ओपन करते हैं।
यस मैडम।
जैसे ही आप ओपन करते हैं, ऊपर क्लास 10 के नीचे आपको समरी, स्टूडेंट, चैट, नोटिस बोर्ड, असाइनमेंट सब दिखेगा। तो आपको असाइनमेंट में जाना है। असाइनमेंट जैसे आप कुछ नहीं दिखेगा, अभी मैंने असाइनमेंट अपलोड ही नहीं किया, स्टिल आई हैव नॉट अपलोडेड एनीथिंग। अभी मैं अपलोड करूंगी आज दोपहर, आई विल गेट क्वेश्चन एंड आई विल अपलोड। तो असाइनमेंट में जाके आपको असाइनमेंट क्लिक करना है, ओपन हो जाएगा वो।
यस मैडम।
Okay, you need to go to assignment and click. You can find easily, don't worry. So shall I end the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can find the recordings. See the recording.